Why I came to Australia? Here, everyone has their own reason. Some for gap year, some for exploring the world, some for their dream, and some want to figure out what is just going on with himself or herself. What about me?
Hello everyone!
Just do it.
Is this recording now?
Yeah, just.
Okay. Flies. Il y a un serpent!
Welcome to Australia.
I'm a bit nervous when I get filmed, but it's cool.
Hi, I'm Louis and I'm a Belgian guy. I came in Australia to discover myself and to know how the life works. And I'm only 18, so everything is not always very easy. But in Australia I met a lot of people and it changed a part of my life, so it's a great struggle for me. And I think everyone should do that at the moment of his life, to travel and to discover the world. It learns a lot of things to ourselves and to the others. So definitely do it if you want.
Living in Australia, everything I did just following my heart. So I live the life on my own way, and I loved every person I met here. So if you have any dream in your mind, just don't hesitate and just do it.
I think if you have a dream, just make it come true. When you come here, Australia, and no matter who you are, no matter where you're from, no matter what you do in your hometown, everyone is the same. Just make your dream come true.
Looking for the opportunity to experience different lifestyle and try to find the work in other countries that is different from my professional. So I think that is a good opportunity to try this and experience the different life, and I think you can do it.
Was asked to talk a little bit about why I decided to hike the Bibbulmun track when I was a bit younger, from Kalamunda in WA in the Perth foothills to Albany in the southwest of Western Australia. I guess I decided to do it as a bit of a challenge because we don't really have a coming of age thing that we do I guess in the West so much, and I decided that I wanted to do something that was hard to prove to myself that I could do something hard, and it took 7 weeks to hike down, and it took a fair bit of planning, and certainly gives you a bit of perspective as to how big our state is, and gives you a bit of perspective about how small you are as an individual, but definitely about how much you matter as well, which is important. I think it's changed the way that I've lived ever since, because when I got back, I always decided that I would just do things rather than talk about doing them and never get to it. So now I'm living in the Kimberley working as a nurse, and I don't know if I would have taken that leap working somewhere a little bit bizarre and extreme as the Kimberley. It's very different. I don't know if I would have taken that step if I'd come straight out of school and hadn't done something as big as the Bibbulmun track. And ever since then I've always sort of got this appetite to do adventuring and find cool places and do interesting things. So yeah.
Oh, hello. Yes. So I'm riding already 15 countries. I explain my reason for riding. I have fun to riding. Oh, I don't have a special reason. I wanna see a lot of things, and I wanna meet a lot of people, and I want to know many culture. Bike is good for it. I'm riding bike for traveling. Yes.
So how can I trust people with on couch surfing? I don't know. I just think, most people in the world are good people, and you just have to take a chance with life and trust people. When I travel, I try to see a lot of things, but lately I really slow down, and for me, I like traveling to places and drawing them. So wherever I pick, whichever destination, it's usually somewhere where I want to go and draw. So that might be interesting buildings or interesting people, culture, food, that sort of thing. So that's sort of how I decide where to go. But I think, I don't know, the main reason why I travel is to meet people from other cultures, see their architecture, hear their music, eat their food.
Hello, my name is Mary, and I come to Australia because I lost the man of my life, and I was so sad and crying all the time. I called a friend who's living in Perth in Australia and asked her if I can come, and 1 month after I was here visiting Australia. I found 2 guys traveling with them. I bring with me my sadness, but I prefer to be sad here, visiting a lot of things and seeing a wonderful lands instead of staying at home. If I can say something for other people who are afraid to travel, is that to find the real freedom you have inside yourself, you have to live and have some adventures to know what are you able to do by yourself.
I came in Australia because I needed to take 1 year off to explore another country and to leave France to go very far. Yes, I wasn't very happy to my job, so I needed to travel to meet different people from different countries. For me, the more difficult was to take my plane ticket to Australia, and after it was easy. I quit my job, my apartment. Since I'm in Australia, it's very easy to meet a lot of people, to travel. It's very easy, yes.
So I decided to start my travel 6 months ago because I always dreamed about Australia. Australia is a big country and many friends of mine did a big trip there. So I also wanted to do it. And after my study, I decided to leave France to Australia and to start my trip. And so here I met a lot of people, open-minded people who I did a lot of big experience. I met so funny people, kind people. I think you learn a lot with traveling. The hardest things to do is just to book your ticket, to leave your country, and then when you start traveling, it's like a drug. I mean, you want to discover a lot of things, new things. When you start it, you will love it, for sure.
My name is Denise. I'm from Germany. I just finished my A-levels. I graduated from school and I really had no idea what to do after that, what to study. There are so many things to do in later life, which steps to choose for my later life, and that's why I decided to do a gap year here in Australia. So I have to be on my own. Hard first. It was really hard. I stepped out of my comfort zone. I have less hygiene too, but here I can grow more than in my country. I live on my own. I bought a car here. I do stuff which I've never organized in my home country, because there I have my parents, I have family, I have friends. I want to grow, I want to mature, want to get more confident. That's why I'm here for, and I hope.
You have to do something when you can do it. Not to say just, I do maybe once, because maybe nowhere, no time. This is it. And I did it for my 50th birthday, for a present from me, and also going through some worries and struggles, and this is how I just do something good for me, that's all. I'm enjoying my time here in Australia, meeting people from all over the world, and doing a lot of pictures. Most of them I have to delete because my memory stick is full, and it's very interesting. Meeting people, have a talk to them, and know about something about their life, and it's very interesting. And after that, go back to the job, earn your money, get in the boring life with all this repetition, And when you're sad and tired about your life, you still can have your memories in this journey. This is it.
That's a big question. Traveling is my passion, and I want to see a lot of cultures all over the world and see how other people live on the other side of the world. And another good thing is you meet so amazing people on the way, and maybe you do friends for life. Maybe you meet friends for life on the road, and just try it. Nothing can go wrong, so just go for it.
What do you want? Yes. Travelling, well, you've got to sort of see the country, and
lots of scenery.
Patience, I keep away from her all day, sleep on myself, not a problem, mate.
And here's being silly, but it is to see lots of the country that we haven't seen.
Because I've been here for 70 years, I haven't been all over Australia yet. It takes a long time to go around here, walking. You have a really good time.
Better not.
Yes, is that good? You like that? Hello everyone. Going? That's not a knife. That's so nice.
I think I just wanted to find a story and tell the story.
Yeah, see ya.